received the remote and the volume to go up. As we can see, does not work. Has brand new batteries. Volume to go down, it works, but to go up, it doesn't. It will not go up at all. Then we have the input. It goes to input. The arrows work perfectly fine. The down button does not work. The up button, and it turns off. Airplane. So down button works, up button works. So main menu. Main menu button works. Info button works. Netflix button works. VUD works. Prime. Let me see the Prime works. See the mute and unmute button works. Such. Change channel. Let's see. And platform. Most things work except the volume won't go up. And it takes forever to turn on the TV. Okay, yeah, let's see. Live TV.
Alright, these are both of the remotes. This one saying Insignia is my original TV's remote. The one on the left is the Amazon replacement. As you can see, the only difference is one says Insignia, one doesn't. Same size, same buttons in the same areas. So I'll show you, I got the voice automation already set up. Open Hulu.
Here's Hulu.
So as you can see,